welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting a new program called What is This? So we will be learning informational stuff in a fun way. So please like and subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. Hey everyone, how are you doing all? Today I'm back again with another interesting topic. Today we are going to learn some cool signs about money. Like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. But first, what is money? Money is something that we use to buy things. Like clothes, toys, candy, and much other things. A long time ago, people used to trade things like cows and gold. But today we use coins, paper money, and card or plastic money, and also crypto money. And you know what? All of these things are used through your mobile phone. And second thing, do you know what is a currency? Each country has its own currency. That's the name for the kind of money they use. Like the US dollar or the Japanese yen. Every currency has a symbol. Let's check them out. Let me tell you 5 big currency symbols that are used around the world. The first one comes that everyone in the world must know is the US dollar. This is the US dollar. Don't take it personally. I'm only using a fake. Just to show you all. People use it in the United States. The dollar sign comes from an old Spanish coin called pieces of 8. Some say it came from the letter P and S written together. And its full name is the United States dollar. And it started in 1792. Now let me tell you a fun fact. Like I always tell you in every informative thing. The dollar is the most used currency in the world. And people in investment world call it King Dollar. A cool name. Now let's come to the second currency symbol. And that is the euro. The euro is used in many countries in Europe. And its symbol comes from the Greek letter epsilon. Don't worry, it's just a letter like A, B, C in English. This letter is used as Europe has a lot of ancient history from Greece. And its full name is euro. Now again, it's a time of the fun fact. More than 300 million people use the euro every day. Euro is the only currency in the world that is used at continent level. Previously and even now, countries in Europe use their own currencies. Euro was introduced in 1999, so it's not that old. Now is the time for a third currency. It's the yen. In Japan they use the yen. And it has a cool sign. Yen means round because old coins were round. And its full name is Japanese yen. Since 1871. It's the time for the fun fact, like always. Japan is one of the richest countries. And their money is used in many trades. Now the fourth one steps in. And it is the one and only pound. In the United Kingdom, they use the pound. And its symbol is the pound. A very long time ago, People used to measure silver by weight. And pound meant a pound of silver. And sterling means very pure silver. That's how the money got its name. Its full name is British Pound Sterling. Fun fact for kids. The British pound is the oldest currency still in use today. Now the last and the fifth currency is here to hit the spotlights. And this one is called the Swiss franc. It's used in Switzerland. The short name is CHF. And the CH stands for Confederatio Helvetica. That's Latin for Switzerland. And the F is for franc. Its full name is Swiss franc. People just call it franc in Switzerland. Now it's time for your favorite part of the video. Yes, fun facts. Swiss money is super strong and trusted around and around the world. Let me ask you one thing. Why do these symbols matter? But if you don't know, I'll tell you. Because these currencies help people know about which money is being talked about. And if you see a price like $10, you know it's in dollars. And if you see this, you will know it's 10 yen. The currencies that we covered today are the most strongest and trusted ones. And they're also called reserve currencies. Now you know what this, and this mean? Next time you see these signs, you'll know which country they are from. And thank me for that. So how to thank me? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos for others to learn the information. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more videos.